Hello, my dear PUC second year students. Here I am going to upload Accountancy 1 mark multiple choice questions. Most expected multiple choice question. The first question is not for profit organizations are formed for dash. The answer is service. The second most expected MCQs, most of not for profit organizations transactions are cash, credit, cash and credit, barter. The answer is cash. Receipt and payment account include items of capital nature, revenue nature, both. So the answer is both capital as well as revenue nature. The fourth expected question, income and expenditure account include the amount of current year, previous year, next year, both current year and previous year. The correct answer is current year. The fifth question, capital fund does not include entrance fees, legacies, building fund, life membership fees. The answer is building fund. Sixth expected question, legacies are treated as revenue receipt, revenue expenditure, capital receipt, capital expenditure. The answer is revenue expenditure. Tenth expected question, purchase of a computer by a college is treated as capital receipt, capital expenditure, revenue receipt, revenue expenditure. The answer is capital expenditure. P is the correct answer. The next question, in the absence of any specific instruction, where do you know the entrance fees? Debit side of the income and expenditure account, credit side of the income and expenditure account, liability side of the balance sheet are added to the capital fund on the liability side of the balance sheet. The answer is credit side of the income and expenditure account because it is treated like a revenue income. Revenue expenditure. The ninth one, special funds are shown in. The answer is the options are income side, expenditure side, liability side, asset side. So it's a liability side. The tenth one, life membership fees are treated as a capital receipt, capital expenditure, revenue receipt, revenue expenditure. The answer is capital receipt. The 11th one, loss on sale of fixed assets is treated as capital receipt, revenue receipt, capital expenditure, revenue expenditure. The answer is revenue expenditure. The 12th expected question, the agreement between the partners should be in oral, oral or written, none of the above. The answer oral or written. The 13th expected question, partnership deed contains name of the firm, and address of the partner, profit and loss sharing ratio, all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Then the 14th one, if any partner has advanced some money to the firm beyond to the amount of his capital, he shall be entitled to get interest on the amount at the rate of 5, 6, 8, none of the above, 6% per annum. It is mentioned under the partnership deed. Okay. The last question, interest on capital is generally provided for in the situation when partner contributed unequal amount of capital but share profit equally. The profit capital contributed is same but profit sharing is unequal. Both the situation, none of the above. Answer is both the situation.